I'm Rich Noonan from Best to the Best, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today.
Today on Best to the Best, congratulations! If you're watching this video right now, you have found Opie's Gold Heat and Air in Minnesota, winner of a 2025 National Best to the Best Award for customer satisfaction and a great American local business with some of the best customer reviews in the country. Opie's Gold Heat and Air also has an amazing commitment to helping people. They even promise that if your furnace quits, they will arrive the same day or that repair is free. Wow, we love it. Nobody at Opie's Gold Heat and Air in St. Cloud hired us to produce this video. The owner is a great guy named, you guessed it, Opie. He had no idea we were doing it. At Best to the Best, we never tell company owners that we are profiling their company. We do a ton of research on companies that have great customer reviews for years, and if we like what we see, we profile the company without telling the owners. We know that gives our videos a heck of a lot more credibility than anything else out there, and we love the story of Opie's Gold Heat and Air. This is really a special company. Opie grew up in the projects. He remembers as a boy, they shut the heat off because his family couldn't pay the bill. And when he opened Opie's Gold Heat and Air, he vowed that nobody will go without heat if he and his team can help it. And Opie's has helped a lot of people. This company even has Opie's Angels. It's a program that allows people in the community to nominate a family or someone in need who could use a hand up, not a handout. Opie actually calls people, he partners with great suppliers, and they give those people incredible gifts. We listened to a phone call on Opie's website where Opie tells a man who had no heat that the Opie's Angels team was giving his family a free furnace before Christmas. The man cried, and frankly, so did we listening to it.
We're actually going to install a brand new high-efficiency furnace for you for nothing.
Oh, man, I'm crying. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much, sir.
Opie and Opie's Angels are so awesome. Opie's does all kinds of heating, air, repairs, replacements. They also do lots of Opifications, which customers get when they Opify their lives with Opie's awesome Opie's Gold maintenance plan. Opie's a big Vikings fan and the brand reflects lots of purple and gold. Opie does lots of great radio ads. He also puts photos of his very experienced team right there on the website, which we love. These guys have great careers at Opie's, not just jobs, and they share Opie's passion for helping people. And it really shows in their awesome customer reviews. The reviews about Opie's Gold Heat and Air on every credible review site out there are fantastic. Please read them. When we did this video in March of 2025, customers simply raved about every aspect of dealing with the Opie's team. Customers loved the professionalism, the legendary response time, the fair and transparent pricing, and most importantly to us, the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at Opie's Gold Heat and Air. These are good people. They'd never sell a customer something that customer didn't need. They'd never engage in high-pressure sales. Listen to this. When we did this video, Opie's Gold Heat and Air had over 1,100 five-star reviews on Google alone. That is awesome. Congratulations to everyone at Opie's Gold Heat and Air in St. Cloud, Minnesota, on this 2025 national honor from Best to the Best, and way more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day, the right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.